Encourage student freedom and aid learning discovery with the creation of interactive digital choice boards. This video will show you how to boost engagement, give students choice, and inspire them to take control of how they demonstrate what they have learned. Let's explore how with Canva's website templates. First, let's create an activity choice board. Search for education websites here. Select a choice board template. Now let's customize the template to empower students. Edit the text to give students choice on how they want to show their understanding. Make the choice board interactive by inserting links to other Canva templates or external locations like this. Select Preview to see your choice board in action. One idea is to create a choice board that allows students to choose how they learn about a particular concept. Select this template and create a topic-themed board. Refine the board to create a resource that aids discovery and allows you to meet individual students' needs. Edit text. Update elements to suit your needs. Easily insert YouTube videos like this. Then add page links to allow for simple navigation. Attach external learning resources for students by adding links to text or images. Time to publish the choice board for your students. Select Publish as Website. Choose a domain and subdomain. Add a website description. Adjust permissions if needed. Select Publish, and your choice board website is ready to share with your students. Provide your students with the power of choice and ownership in their learning by creating a choice board in Canva.